Welcome to the EEPROM 9, and you might notice, yes, I finally got one, and yes, it's been for several days now, printing and reprinting its own upgrades. The latest thing is this lovely cable guard to stop it mangling its own cables and killing itself, or setting itself on fire or whatever, which we don't want. But yeah, this thing's awesome, and it makes really cool sounds as well. Also, on my week off, I did things like the loft boarding, upgraded the PC, smashed my car windscreen and had to get that replaced. Broke my toe, so I suppose the next thing of order I should do is print myself a new toe, because that don't work no more. And all that good jazz. And yeah, I've been doing the maths to get it all aligned and whatnot. All that good jazz. So, yeah. But it's super cool. This is where if I was better at filmography, I'd be able to give you a better shot. I need to try time lapse and that with this, although the head will probably knock the camera on the floor, but hey, you gotta give it a go. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah. This also means I can carry on with the night vision projects, because this is the exact tool I need to fabricate the cases, because that's like one of the biggest issues I kept running into with the previous two, was finding suitable housings. You know, there just comes when looking in B&Q and whatnot for like PVC piping just doesn't cut it because the diameter's just wrong. But yeah, thanks for watching. I don't know if you'll see videos dedicated to this, but you'll certainly see stuff that's built off of it. You know, I can fabricate parts for like keys for retro computers and all that good jazz.